Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by unlocking your primary WhatsApp phone and opening settings linked devices. This is necessary because the phone generates the secure session codes. Once there, tap Link a device to reveal the QR scanner. Make sure the secondary device is ready, open web. WhatsApp, Com or the desktop app so you can scan immediately. You do this now to avoid session timeouts. If you delay, the scanner will close and you'll need to reinitiate the linking process. Once the QR appears on the secondary device, point your phone camera and scan it. This establishes end-to-end encrypted linkage. After scanning, name the device so you can recognize it later and choose chat sync options. You might opt to sync recent chats only. Make sure to enable multi-device features when prompted, since that reduces constant phone dependency. If a prompt explains reduced access to call history or location messages, read it. That clarifies the small trade-offs for multi-device convenience. You finish by confirming the new device appears under Settings Linked Devices, then send a test message and place a test call so you verify full functionality. If you see an unknown device, sign it out immediately from the primary phone to revoke access. If linking fails, make sure both apps are updated, restart both devices, and retry scanning the QR. Often a simple restart fixes camera or network hiccups. If problems persist, remove and re-add the device to refresh the session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.